Bitcoin SV value equivalent to $112.34 a coin. The present exchange cost range $109.88, $115.98. The earlier day close $113.12. The change was 0.7869%. Backwards rate OS to BSV. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost it's on 565 coins. Excessive cost 0.719, while lows of 5 on 65. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.630. The US to BSV figure toward the month's end 0.671, change for June 18.8%. OS to BSV expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 671 coins. Excessive cost 0.671, while lows at 541. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.615. The US to BSV figure toward the month's ends on 5 on 78, change for July 13.9%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 578 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.610, while lows at 532. The found the middle value of cost 0.5 at 72. The US to BSV estimate toward the month's ends of 568, change for August 17%. Was to BSV expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 568 coins. Exorbitant cost to 568, while lows and 459. The found the middle value of costs at 521. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's ends of 490, change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 490 coins. Exorbitant cost till 521, while lows of 455. The found the middle value of cost till 1488. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's end zone 1485, change for October 10%. US to BSV expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 485 coins. Exorbitant costs at 5 on 3, while lows of 4 to 37. The found the middle value of costs on 4 to 73. The US to BSV estimate toward the month's ends on 4 at 67, change for November 3.7%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate for December 2024. Initially cost at 467 coins. Excessive costs on 493, while lows on 429. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 462. The US to BSV figure toward the month's ends in 459, change for December 17%. US to BSV expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 459 coins. Exorbitant costs of 459, while lows of 369. The found the middle value of costs of 421. The US to BSV conjecture toward the month's end Z395, change for January 13.9%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at 395 coins. Excessive costs of 424, while lows in 368. They arrived at the midpoint of cost C395. The US to BSV conjecture toward the month's end 0.94, change for February's 3%. US to BSV expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 394 coins. Exorbitant costs of 415, while lows on 361. They found the middle value of costs of 389. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's ends 386, change for spring 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 86 coins. Exorbitant costs of 403, while lows at 350. They found the middle value of costs of 0.79. The US to BSV conjecture toward the month's ends at 375, change for April 28%. US to BSV expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 75 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.400, while lows 347. They found the middle value of cost 0.874. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's end Z372, change for May's 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 72 coins. Exorbitant costs of 385, while lows 3 to 33. They found the middle value of costs at 3 to 62. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's end winter 57, change for June 4%. US to BSV expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 357 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.82, while lows of 3 to 31. The found the middle value of costs equals 56. The US to BSV estimate toward the month's ends at 55, change for July is a 6%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate for August 2025. Initially costed 355 coins. Excessive costs are 429, while lows are 355. They arrived at the midpoint of costs in 385. The US to BSV figure toward the month's ends are 400, change for August 7%. US to BSV expectation for September 2025. Initially costed on 400 coins. Excessive cost on 441, while lows on 383. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 409. The US to BSV figure toward the month's ends in 410, change for September 5%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate for October 2025. First and foremost costed on 410 coins. Exorbitant costs on 467, while lows on 487. They found the middle value of costs on 430. The US to BSV estimate toward the month's ends of 435, change for October 1%. US to BSV expectation for November 2025. First and foremost costed on 4 to 35 coins. Exorbitant costs on 552, while lows are 435. They found the middle value of cost on 484. The US to BSV estimate toward the month's ends of 513, change for November 9%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate for December 2025. At the outset costed on 513 coins. Excessive costs on 513, while lows 435. They arrived at the midpoint of cost of 482. The US to BSV conjecture toward the month's ends on 465, change for December 4%. US to BSV expectation for January 2026. Initially costed on 465 coins. Excessive costs of 488, while lows to 426. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 459. The US to BSV figure toward the month's ends of 455, change for January 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture for February 2026. At the outset costed on 455 coins. Exorbitant costs on 581, while lows are 455. They found the middle value of cost of 508. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's ends of 541, change for February 9%. US to BSV expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 541 coins. Exorbitant cost 694, while lows on 541. They found the middle value of cost 605. The US to BSV gauge toward the month's end 645, change for spring 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin SV figure for April 2026. Before all else cost at 645 coins. Excessive cost 6